In high-stakes esports, every round counts, but coaches often miss critical patterns due to information overload. Introducing C9 Pulse. Unlike simple stat trackers, C9 Pulse is an intelligent analytical engine built on the Grid Live data feed. Watch it in action. It doesn't just show numbers, it generates actionable insights. Here, it detects that Oscarinen is overperforming, suggesting an aggressive playstyle. Simultaneously, it analyzes the macro game, identifying hidden economy disadvantages that a human eye might miss. This is not just data, this is Moneyball for Valorant. This is C9 Pulse.